Hi, my name is Tarik and I've been a part of the Advanced Hair Studio strand by strand for the last 2.5 years. So I was suffering from hair loss from my early 20s really, around about 21 years old when it first started. And I tried various different methods. So having looked around and spoke to family members as well, I was introduced to Advanced Hair Studio, and from that I then understood a bit more about the results that I wanted and how Advanced Hair Studio could help me achieve those results. So what I did was have a look at the options here with the team regarding what I wanted with my hair, and what I wanted was to have thicker and more volume in my hair. So what we did was we had a look through the options, and the strand by strand procedure was the one which would give me the best results. So I partake in ultramarathons, which are, well, an ultramarathon is anything over the marathon distance. The marathon distance is 42.2 kilometers. So for example, last year, through Jordan, I ran 250 kilometers over 5 days, which was just over 50 kilometers per day. One of the biggest things in my mind was obviously how would my hair go through an extreme week like that. What I've found is, having gone through the treatment and the procedure, I've not only increased the confidence through naturally having the hair, but also through my running as well. And as time's gone on, I've had no problems at all. It actually gave me the confidence to achieve more in the race itself and finished it with great success. So if you are suffering from hair loss, one of the most important things is to just tackle it straight and head on. Just like if you're ill, you go to the doctors. If you are suffering from hair loss, come to Advanced Hair Studio, and what will happen is you'll actually go through a series of consultations where they will customize a treatment plan for you, and they'll be able to step by step help you and achieve the results that you want to achieve.